For thousands of years, we humans have been telling stories, and we love stories. But if you don't tell your own story, someone else will probably tell it for you, and you probably won't like it at all. Therefore, you got to tell your own story, right? And that's what we're here to help you with using this tool that is both old and new called the ABT. Let me show you a little clip to emphasize this. In 2012, Barack Obama was asked what was the biggest shortcoming of his first term. Here's what he said.
The mistake of my first couple of years was thinking that this job was just about getting the policy right. And that's important. But, you know, the nature of this office is also to tell a story to the American people.
Think about what he just said. It was perfect ABT structure. And, but, therefore, right there. He said he thought his job was about just getting the policy right. And that is important. But, and he said that word plain and simple, he said, but the nature of the office is also to tell a story. And that's what I'm telling you. If you don't tell your own story, somebody else is going to tell it for you, and you probably aren't going to like what they say. So you need to tell your own story. And to do that, you need the ABT. So welcome to this unique event. If you listen closely, it might just change your life.